Cars in 2026 are smarter, more connected, and more customizable than ever. And the gadgets built for them are keeping pace. From clever Amazon accessories that fix everyday driving annoyances to bold Kickstarter inventions that feel straight out of the future. Today's car tech is all about making life on the road easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute, prepping for long road trips, or just love discovering smart automotive gear, this list has something for you. We've rounded up 30 cool car gadgets from Amazon and Kickstarter for 2026, featuring innovative tools, must-have safety devices, and fun upgrades that genuinely enhance your driving experience. Once you see these, you'll start wondering how your car ever felt complete without them. ODII Car Gadget. The ODII Car Gadget is a surprise helper for anyone who always drops stuff in tight spots. It's a 3-in-1 tool with a 19-inch flexible claw, a 23-inch detachable magnet, and a useful LED flashlight to spot stuff under seats or in dark corners. Compact enough for your glove box, it's easy to use and usually priced around $25. It won't lift heavy tools, but fixes everyday annoyances with ease. Uniliner UL-300 CE. The Uniliner UL-300 CE feels like a serious upgrade for busy body shops. It's a CE certified auto body collision repair system with a 3,500 kilogram lifting capacity, sturdy 3,320mm work table, and dual pulling towers that help realign frames after accidents. Build quality and hydraulic performance make it solid for structural straightening, and many pros say it strikes a good balance of professional capability and price, typically around $3,900 to $4,400 US. HUDWAY Glass. The HUDWAY Glass is a simple heads-up display accessory that turns your smartphone into a HUD for navigation and speed info, using a transparent reflective screen mounted on your dash. It's lightweight, easy to install, and doesn't need power, and usually costs around $49 to $70 depending on seller. While it works nicely at night and helps keep your eyes on the road, the reflection can be faint in bright sunlight, and you must use compatible HUD apps. Aligoo Boost. The Aligoo Boost is a rugged portable car jump starter with a 24,000 mAh battery, capable of jump-starting engines up to about 10 liters, gas/8 liters, diesel. Ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs. It doubles as a 100-watt power bank to charge phones and laptops, and its IP67 waterproof rating, magnetic base, and 4-mode LED light add real roadside convenience. Early crowdfunding prices hovered around $79 to $185 depending on model and deals. Raksha SafeDrive. The Raksha SafeDrive is an IoT-powered smart road safety gadget designed to boost roadside security by detecting crashes and instantly alerting emergency contacts and services. It clips in your car and uses GPS, crash sensors, and a panic button to share your location and call for help when you need it most. Plus, it can notify family or friends automatically. Early crowdfunding pricing started around $99 to $149 for backers. THINKDRIVER. The THINKDRIVER is a compact Bluetooth OBDII diagnostic scanner that turns your smartphone into a car health monitor. Plug it into the OBD port and pair with iOS/Android to read and clear fault codes, view live sensor data, and perform full system diagnostics across engine, ABS, TPMS, airbags, and more. Features often found in pricier tools. Prices usually range from about $39 to $99, depending on seller and reset services included. The 15 optional reset functions are a nice bonus for DI years. FarReach A1. The FarReach A1 is a clever all-in-one roadside companion that mixes a 20,000 mAh power bank, 2,000 ampere jump starter, 150 psi, fast tire inflator, and a bright LED light into one gadget. Perfect for emergencies and weekend trips. Its real-time tire pressure display and multiple inflation modes make air pumps easy, while USB/Type-C charging keeps phones and devices powered. Early campaign pricing on crowdfunding hovered around a mid-range value that feels fair for so many functions. Line Cutter's Vehicle Escape Tool. The Line Cutter's Vehicle Escape Tool is a compact safety must-have that helps you get out fast when every second counts. It pairs a spring-loaded tungsten window breaker with a surgical-grade steel seatbelt cutter, letting you shatter glass and free yourself or others in a crash or emergency. The tool clips to your visor, keys, or metal surfaces via a magnet for instant access. It's rugged yet light, usually priced around $25 to $30 retail. Trapom, Ultimate 3-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner. The Trapom Ultimate 3-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner is an ambitious all-in-one tool that combines a high suction vacuum, air pump, and blower into one gadget. Perfect for car interiors, inflating tires or gear, and clearing debris in one go. Campaigns on Kickstarter showed strong interest and support, suggesting it appeals to drivers who want versatile utility without multiple devices. Pricing backer rewards varied by pledge level during the campaign. While suction and pump power make it handy, real-world performance may depend on battery life and accessories. ZipGripGo Emergency Traction Aid for Snow. The ZipGripGo Emergency Traction Aid is a lightweight, easy-to-use kit of cleated nylon straps you wrap around your drive wheels to boost grip when stuck in snow, ice, or mud. No tools required. Great for occasional winter emergencies, and compact enough to stash in your trunk. It fits most cars and SUVs and installs in minutes. It's generally affordable, approximately $30 to $50, and works best for short-distance traction to get you back on the road fast. iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. The iLIKE Ice Car Cushion is a summer-focused cooling seat cover designed to keep drivers comfortable in hot weather. It uses breathable ice silk material and ventilated design to help reduce sweat and heat buildup on long drives, and its universal fit makes it easy to install on most car seats. Pricing on early Kickstarter campaigns was modest for a niche accessory, helping it appeal to drivers wanting relief from cabin heat without major mods. Parshade. The Parshade is a thoughtful take on the classic car sunshade. It uses a semi-automatic tension bar design that makes setup easier than traditional pop-ups. When you park, you just pull it up, and the magnetic latches hold it across your windshield to block heat and UV rays, helping protect your dashboard and keep interiors cooler. Crowdfunding pledges historically ranged roughly $25 to $60, depending on size and options. It fits most vehicles and feels like a solid everyday accessory for hot climates like Pakistan summers. Marvo, the latest solar phone mount. The Marvo solar phone mount is a clever car accessory that doubles as a solar-powered phone holder, so you don't have to worry about cables while driving. The built-in panel charges and powers its semi-automatic sensor clamp using sunlight. It fits most phones, 4.7 to 7 inches, and has adjustable clips and silicone pads to protect your device, with a Type-C port for backup power. Early crowdfunding perks started around $59, and the project hit its goal thanks to strong backer support. Moki Securely Share Car Keys. The Moki system turns your phone into a digital car key that lets you lock, unlock, and share access without passing around a physical fob. Perfect for family cars or shared vehicles. It pairs with your car via Bluetooth, offers auto access as you approach, and lets you assign digital keys to others through the app. Early backer pricing and availability vary by campaign, but it aims to make key sharing easy and secure. 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount. The 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount is a versatile phone holder designed to make driving safer and more convenient. It usually combines multiple mounting options, like vent clip, dash, windshield, and an adjustable arm, so you can position your phone exactly where you need it. Many versions include wireless charging, QI, and 360 degrees rotation for easy navigation and viewing. Prices vary by model, but often sit around $40 to $60 for wireless charging kits. The convenience and adaptability make it a neat everyday gadget for commute or road trip use. Rubbit's Car Wash in a Can. The Rubbit Car Wash in a Can is a clever waterless spray and wipe car wash that turns a simple can of foam into a quick detailing session without hoses or buckets. Perfect when you don't have access to a traditional wash. Each can's foam lifts dirt gently for scratch-free cleaning, and pre-order packs, for example, 4 cans with towels, sell around $44.90 to $65. It's ideal for light grime and touch-ups, though heavy mud may need extra prep. Dome. The cover you'll actually use. The dome car cover is a clever one-hand, collapsible protective cover designed to shield your vehicle from sun, rain, dust, and debris without the struggles of bulky traditional covers. It unfolds quickly and fits over most cars, making daily protection far easier. No wrestling or helpers needed. Backer pricing and reward tiers varied on Kickstarter, reflecting early support value before wider retail pricing is set. If you regularly park outdoors, it's a handy everyday shield that saves effort and time. Sentrixy Smart Car Charger. The Sentrixy Smart Car Charger isn't just another USB car adapter. It blends up to 80 watts intelligent power delivery with dual network real-time location tracking and a built-in backup power battery for offline positioning and everyday use. The dynamic power balancing adjusts output depending on connected devices, so phones and tablets get efficient charging on the go. Early Kickstarter pledges have averaged around $40 to $50 as it funds well beyond goal. Fidget Moire. The Fidget Moire is a quirky 3-in-1 mini aromatherapy diffuser and stress toy you can clip on your car vent, desk, or carry around. As wind hits it, the moire pattern animates while releasing light. Pleasant scents from included aroma pads helping freshen the air and calm your mind on drives. It's made from zinc alloy with a scratch-resistant nanocoating, weighs about 2.1 ounces, and often retails around $25 to $60 depending on design and seller. 3-in-1 Adapter Otox. The Otox 3-in-1 adapter is a compact multi-purpose USB/OTG splitter that lets you connect 3 devices at once, typically a USB flash drive, charging cable, and peripheral like a keyboard or mouse, to your phone or tablet. It's convenient for quick data transfer and powered USB accessories without extra hubs, and usually sells affordably. Many 3-in-1 OTG adapters sit in the low price range. However, versatility comes with mixed reliability. Some users report limited power delivery and compatibility issues with certain devices. Dash Cam Omni. The 70mm Dash Cam Omni is a standout dash camera that gives you nearly 360-degree monitoring with its motorized rotating lens and AI motion detection, so you won't miss incidents around your vehicle. It records in full HD and up to 4K on some versions, has night vision, GPS logging, and voice control, and supports optional 4G connected remote alerts via the companion app. Pricing varies with storage and features, roughly $140 to $400 retail, depending on region and model. KALOS Pad. The KALOS Pad is a smart dashboard upgrade that brings a 4K wireless display with built-in dashcam and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto support to cars without messing with factory wiring. Its anti-glare screen, gesture/voice control, and automotive-grade chipset make navigation, media, and safety footage easy to view and use on the go. It typically sells for around $149, a solid value for turning older cars into connected rides. Keto Smart Car Key. The Keto Smart Car Key turns your smartphone into a secure car key, letting you unlock, lock, start, and share access without a traditional fob. Great for family cars or sharing with friends. It uses Bluetooth plus encrypted authentication, so the car only responds when the authenticated phone is inside, and the companion app lets you grant digital keys to others easily. Pricing depends on availability and region, but the concept appeals to drivers who want modern keyless convenience without extra hardware. Yakima SkyBox NX18. The Yakima SkyBox NX18 is a premium 18 cubic foot rooftop cargo box that turns a loaded car into a road trip powerhouse. Plenty of space handles luggage, camping gear, skis up to approximately 195 centimeters and more, while a flat floor interior makes packing easy. Dual side opening and full metal locking handles add convenience and security, and its universal mount fits most crossbars. It's solidly built with a clean nano-textured finish and usually retails around $799 to $850. OHLPRO tablet mount. The OHLPRO tablet mount is a versatile, budget-friendly tablet holder that turns your car into a hands-free command center for navigation, media, or entertainment. It usually fits tablets from about 5 inches up to 13 inches, and many versions use a strong suction cup base or heavy-duty drill mount for secure attachment to dashboards or windshields. You can adjust the arm and rotate 360 degrees to your best view, and prices are around $19 online. TrapTap. The TrapTap is a small wireless speed trap and red light camera alert device that sits on your dashboard and helps you stay aware of speed zones, school zones, and mobile police radar locations by flashing colored lights and tones. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone's GPS and uses pre-mapped data, plus community updates from other drivers. Battery life is long, about 2 years on a replaceable coin cell, and early pre-order prices were around $109 to $129 before retail. Rubber parking curb. The rubber parking curb is a simple but effective garage or driveway accessory that helps you park consistently and avoid scrapes on walls or other cars. Made from 100% recycled heavy-duty rubber, its reflective stripes boost visibility day and night, and it resists UV, oil, gas, moisture, and extreme temperatures better than concrete stops. They come in various lengths, for example, approximately 6 feet, and usually retail in the $40 to $120 range depending on size and brand. Installation is easy. Place or bolt it down on asphalt or concrete to protect bumpers and keep parking neat. HOTOR Trunk Organizer. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer is a practical, everyday storage solution that turns a messy trunk into neat, usable space. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it has 2 large compartments and 6 mesh pockets to stash groceries, tools, sports gear, or emergency supplies, and holds up to approximately 60 pounds without sagging. It's foldable and collapsible with Velcro sides for flexible fit and easy storage when not in use. A medium version typically sells around $15 to $30 online and earns solid user praise for value and utility. Car Hooks Universal Car. The universal car hooks are simple but clever little headrest hanger hooks that instantly free up floor space by letting you hang bags, purses, groceries, umbrellas, bottles, and more off the back of your car seats. They're usually made of durable plastic or metal, tool-free to install, and fit most standard headrest poles. A quick, budget-friendly way to keep your interior tidy. Prices for similar 2- or 4-piece sets often sit around a low-cost range online. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool turns your phone into a powerful car diagnostic scanner that's much smarter than basic code readers. Just plug it into your car's OBDII port and connect via Bluetooth to iOS/Android, then read and clear check engine, ABS, SRS, airbag, TPMS, and other system codes, view live data, and get vehicle-specific repair reports from a huge database. It's one-time purchase and often retails around $80 to $120, depending on deals and region.